Wow, look at this, guys. Chicken curry with potatoes, tomatoes, yummy spices. This is looking really good. You could have this with rice, chapatis, tortillas. You'll really love it. Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you a one-pot chicken recipe that's yummy. It's got potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, and a bunch of yummy spices. So let's get cooking and enjoy. These are the veggies: 1 whole onion sliced, 5 green chilies, and 3 tomatoes. Cut the garlic into small bits. This basically gives a nice garlicky flavor. Wow, I really get the smell of garlic. Here I got 5 leg quarters. They've been washed and chopped. For the curry, we are also going to use gold potatoes. These are nice and small. The potato peeler has gone missing. I'm not able to find it, so this is all that we can do. We can give it a little scrape, get the skin off. But we can chop these into halves. These gold potatoes are easy to cook and they're soft. Look at these. These look really good. We're going to soak these in water so that they don't turn brown. Let's add half a cube of butter, a few green cardamoms. Gives it a nice greeny, cardamom flavor. First, let's add the onions. Let's add the garlic. If you're still watching, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. You could add a little more if you like that garlicky flavor. If you like your peppers to get brown a little fast, you could add a little bit of salt. Let's add the potatoes. These were soaking in water. Let these cook for a minute and then we add the chicken. We can let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the meat turns slightly white, then you can add the spices. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You could add a little more if you like. Half a tablespoon of garam masala. And we also have chicken curry masala. Not to forget fenugreek leaves. These have been crushed to release all the flavors. And we'll also add a little bit of salt. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look good? This is basically my favorite chicken recipe. Now let's add the tomatoes. We can let this cook for about 4 minutes. Wow, look at these. Let's peel this off. You got all the skin out. Now it's easy to get a nice tomato gravy. Let's give this a good mix and we can let it cook for another 10 minutes. This is coming out really good. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? The chicken, the potatoes are all cooked, nice and soft. Let's add a little bit of cilantro. If you love the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.